Hello, this is our 60 centimeters DTF printer. Now I show you how to feed the material. The first step is use the unrolling system to fix the PET fumes, and here after you fix it and you tighten it, and you need to watch out here in the middle of the pen foam, and you move up this bar and move the material forward. After you get the material, move forward and you move down this bar. And use the clamp system to in the middle of the PET film. That's okay, left and right, to fix the material. And you click here, the back, move forward the material. Move enough material. Keep moving. Keep clicking the move forward, and here. After the material get here, you run the suction and the vacuum, so the material will be sucked here, and you keep it back, and you click enter. After the powering system working, and the will move forward, and you keep moving the material. And you go to the machine, powder machine, one side, and see if the material come out or not. If the material not enough, you keep moving. Okay, the material come out. Then we feed the material. 从这边倒过去，然后这边出来。但是前面我们那个看到不是很好，它不是平的。我在那个。If the material not enough, no more. 然后还要从这里绕吧。你跟他讲一下这里。After the material goes through here, and you keep it straight, and then move down this part. That's it. And here you can put, if you want to print the pieces, you output here, then you can cut it and directly to do a transfer. If you want to do a roll print, so you put an empty roll here, and you use the taking up system to pick up the material. That's it.